Binaka and welcome to Ouch Palangi Show. And Binaka we kimani tumu del besusian to Niandra ni mata Binaka. And Binaka Elano and Binaka Demis.
A very warm morning.
Iyo.
Cold.
Yes.
Very cold morning this morning.
Whoa, it's very windy.
A very warm good morning to all of you.
A good
that are
morning.
tuning in from
A good morning to Bentari and the
yes.
family, to all the bus drivers,
Yeah.
to all the taxi drivers, to all the public transportation,
Right.
Yeah.
to every company's vehicle,
Yes.
to all the big trucks.
Okay.
Iyo.
We
Ten-wheeler.
sometimes we wake up like this. We just roaming around in the house as passengers.
Dina.
They are the first one. Imagine if they start pick up at 5. They might be wake up at 3,
Yeah.
ready for their lunch,
Yeah.
groom themselves, then ready to their boom boom.
Yeah.
Tara tumandangan ngon na bakubuku.
Dina sar.
Beba kata-kata na indin.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right.
Eh? From there then they start. From the whatever they do.
And Binaka. And Binaka kimani na doli le budu beta kan betul. Kau beta vale
Oh,
otamai
baka
lisa.
sa matagal tungon doon po sa mga biting na kaya mabalag.
Nada mo gori. Wasa na ba?
Ang sabi ko, mukinta magkikimunin.
And we're not going to level in all the way from Brisbane this morning.
Yeah.
John Kumar.
Wala ka tali. I invite you this morning.
I invite you.
Yeah, kita magkikimunin ato.
Right.
And another morning of Ouch Palangi Show this
Right.
morning
Yeah.
for the 2 weeks
Break.
from break.
Yeah.
From another day,
Yeah.
we welcome you from the VTFM and the audience
Right.
and the listeners outside there. See the weather?
Iyo.
It symbolizes how cold we are this morning.
Kaya kaya donor transport Demis. Kaya kaya mo baka mo buki mo donor transport. Like a public transport. What
Also
would that
baka
be?
Wilbero.
No, I don't want to be a wheelbarrow malatela never.
Vaya me mata. Vaya me mata take. Mkala facing up us. Lava ko na ba na. Bako ni ndabo to buito gala mo.
Sarangan ni biya wheelbarrow. Tingko lambar na bay tarabinga.
And to all the public transport drivers,
Yeah.
we say, ano binaka, binawala besar. Thank you so much for doon taka bimbi. Ta bimbi yun yung garaba. And we sing ang may bakani ko. Di mo so talaga ng mata-mata.
Dina. Iyo.
Ano po rin garaba tabi na norabol lidin bunua. And ang mataka binaka din tayo.
I would like to say good morning to all the supporters of every team of the Vanua Championship.
Right.
Thank you very much sa statu na Sochota. Now they are very work hard because they want to be part of the Skipper Cup.
Right.
Dina.
This year, every team like before,
Yeah.
you have to fight for your sitting. Barata na numindambe. If you want to move up on that level,
Yeah.
if you are from the Vanua Championship. Now, lucky from Vanua level, if kung asa nanganga may ka, sana direct.
Right.
The qualification
Yeah.
sana direct. It's like that,
Yeah.
but we are thanks enough for the giving them the chance
Dina.
to feel and taste that level
Right.
up there. When they come down, they will still a hunger,
Yeah.
a testify,
Yeah.
so that they can reach a level
Yeah.
of fitness and
Right.
coaching
Right.
to that.
You saying this morning, Demis, all the coaches for the different teams for the Vanua, they have to go through the level of coaching
Yes.
before they can coach a team, eh?
Right.
Now I see one post from one of our family member,
Yeah.
Mbalawa from Ndaria. Kami daw his speech,
Yeah.
kami daw ngusutu ni
Uh-uh.
want to be part of the club game.
Right.
Each coach must have their level.
Yeah.
Right.
Mitiko
Level
na
2 coaching, level 3, eh?
Right.
They have to have a level. If no, you will able to participate your team and your coaching.
Don't know
All
about
right.
Yeah.
All right.
Ano lang, may tamani?
Professional, eh?
Iya,
Professional,
baka
right.
papanotur. Fangamay.
Yeah.
Lamay. Iko ni coach tour naman dia.
Yeah.
May
Yeah.
wala fikir na yata.
Right.
May feel tag na form, dal tumanda na yata.
Dina sar. Ano na kameli tamani hana binaka jeta TV binabalo sar may tao na bito ka diyan na mataka binaka ni kuwa.
Ha.
Okay, we were talking about the kids this morning. eh?
Yes.
Like this
Yeah.
this weather, the
Right.
windy and the cold we are facing. We remember the camera do that tungan ito tipo. Okay. Demes, what's the difference between the body of a child
Right.
and the body of an adult?
So siya na okay, see,
Yeah.
look. The body of a child,
Right.
But in the chigoir na non raba katakatari and bugni tutubi.
oira sembera ni mabua. They are never hurt.
Yeah.
Okay.
Their knees, their hands,
Yeah.
their joint, their mind, they are still fresh. Because cold only can stay a place where there is pain, a broken. Ito na puno mabuwa. Because, see, if you want to see the symbolization,
Right.
kaya baka takilakilang ko,
Yeah.
if somebody kaya kaya daw lututumbakan na tambamu, if you got a pain on your knee,
Yeah.
before like a month or a week, when the bad weather come,
Yeah.
you can feel. Because a connectivity,
Yeah.
that
Why?
the weather and the broken joint
Right.
or pain you have,
Yeah.
they connect themselves. Because that's where they come and live.
The cold.
The cold.
Right. Okay.
Because children
Yeah.
siyempre ni mabuhay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Say, some heavy work they do. Some they never play kada play. Meron gitu baka liya. Meron pa puno pera na musi na kabaya.
Yeah.
Because asking pain at the back. Don't make nakakola something you lift and you
Yeah.
never on the right position.
Yeah.
Attack. Valindi.
Yeah.
When the attack happen in your back.
Right.
Yeah, metalindi nanda kum.
Yeah.
Or not in a right position,
Yeah.
that can cause you in a painful in this kind
To
of
connect with the weather.
connect with the weather.
Okay, take us back. Sorry. Pause there.
Yeah.
Okay. How do the position you should take
Right.
before lifting a heavy load?
Before you lifting heavy load,
Right.
first of all,
Yeah.
you must ready with your breath.
Right. Stand up. Demonstrate.
I can't stand. I leave the mic.
Take the mic.
Take the mic. Because if you are in that position,
Yeah.
you have to stand
Right.
still.
Yeah.
Just like when you do the lifting.
Yeah.
Mola bekambi,
Right.
face in front, position, alright, breathe in.
Right.
But your back is bent like this.
Yes.
Don't
That is not a good posture.
Yeah.
Don't always bend, no. Don't always bend. Because once you bend,
Yes.
But you say you love the bend.
Yeah.
don't love the bend. Don't love the bend.
You are bending.
This weather don't bending.
Yeah.
You have to stand still, position, then don't let your back
Yeah.
lift the weight.
Yeah.
Let your knees and your
Right. Yeah.
tolom
Yeah.
melabeta. Don't let lingamu
Yeah. The hands.
iyo mekunin reta nanda kumu.
Right.
Right.
Because nanda kumu in between there is a joint.
Right.
Rasema rasigan indua, it's not like baka mindua nga na suito doko.
Yeah.
They are bent, they are flexible.
Yeah.
So if you kept on telling your bone at the back to be part on that mebatu yan kanay dakalaka, so sometime when you are old, your back will be bent.
Yeah.
Right.
Sometime will be pain.
Right.
Because that's why you have a proper sleeping,
Right.
Yeah.
a proper way to lift something,
Right.
and a proper way to sit. There. See?
Do you think you will bend when you are old?
Don't bend.
Matang o bandage.
Bend juga rin na bandage.
I think you should practice bending.
Don't bend.
Hey, second to tali yan
If one bend, don't bend backward.
Don't bend in front.
Sometimes the pain, the coolness we have, we will be bent.
Total nga don't bend.
Because
Go
sabi
sa
ko
may
juga,
internet.
now he's saying he doesn't like us to bend, but he wants to bend.
Karena gaya tiningan na bend. Gaya bukan bentambe-tambe.
Eh, Jay, natin view yan. Ano naka?
Tebi tabuni tibuli di diyan, to yan, ratong bula.
Yan, ano naka ulay kurimbo? Second to tali, ano naka tamay mere?
Sa taga may wasa mata katunggon, takunin din pa ka na mus.
Yeah.
Taga kunin din pa ka ng bata-bata.
Right.
Ko ino naka doon minta ng garaw na. So bika da bang gitu tulang ko tunga mo tukinan ta ko indo baka mabakin dadalte ko ya. Nanong man nabuno sar nga boleh ka kinanasu ya.
Yeah.
Konan ta kum. Balta na masela. Ko sa ridan ko iliw nakitemu. Ertan ko makano mga nga imuri.
Sen.
Ko senga boleh ka sarang kinasui. Tong garaw na.
Nakabali bubunuway.
Sanda doon minta na bitalo tak nakangko. Balta ni samu sinandaku. Ya nakakir sanada. Utaw ko semata na laki mata kinara.
Sanandre
Dinasar.
na tu,
Sanandren na tu, so nataka kung toda ka, sana sintaw doko.
Yeah.
Niragay biya pa panangoni si birbiya ke, bisa sinimbalabu.
Yeah.
Ni sana musto ko nang takum.
Yeah.
Ningay
Lalu
lang
sa
New
nuna,
South
may
Wales.
tindalo, i ko ni bali. Tindalo, lusumay. Dumusar nanti kung ko nalumbul kami tahu du besar juga.
Iya.
Iyo, sana kapa sa renda sarang.
Iya, kaya minta nang karuna nang onong ko. Bikin tan na simbulong-bulo binaka.
Iya.
Karuna baka ko yang baka lebu. Kakunyo ndala kambi tu baka lia-lia.
Iya.
Posisin pa binaka. Baleta kaya baka na sinilang ka nanda kumu.
Iya.
Endo tala tikin yang ngomo na roni na tumbo-sumbo.
Right.
Kaya minta nang karuna kaya baka sini posisin takian ta binaka.
Iya.
Iyo.
Kaya bal na iba may biyo sar may spread
Kuni
binaka.
biya wakasara baka lia-lia den beauty ko talang ko ya. Mo talaga na ngumumbunan raking ko.
Iya, baka buku tak, baka buku tak.
Oh, meli tamani, tu na ko gor tana ay tuku mo gor ko biko.
Iya.
Diam sarui rambal nang gusto. Wei, ngaraw na raking ko na ni mirto ko na uta banga una.
Iya.
Ang raking ko si talent na karin lumi kinan deboy.
Iya, tina. Dito bako totolo ka na lumi.
Iya, datombo ko na lumi.
Right.
Raking ko ay bandu. Eh, daw bulan binaka maibi.
Oh, 15 mere, andra binaka kini.
Iyo, yan rabi
Ar sa to
nakasakatan.
ko may nabi na kautugo na tiko.
Di na sara. Bikin muninan na.
Ay,
Iya.
suka
Bika kuni,
kata.
bikin na ta. So nango na baka mintan daw rangan ni right tour na marama.
Iya.
Nindala bika bika kuwa.
Iya.
Nina valintin ko nanda kumona nga na layota.
Iya. Iya.
Kakunyo.
Pati kinaluto ni
Iyo,
Kawika.
katuk.
Iyo.
Rosini nga bayar tiko mi gor bayar.
Ros oile nana, yan rabinaka. Yan rabinaka. Kakuha talangan. So nango nanda position babinaka ternyata talanga kina nanda mati na turanga.
Iya.
Ran di baling kay Kenda.
Di na sara.
Ni sa be Kenda na dua tadi na irong-rong. Na baling kay Kenda nang totoson tatakadaka. Raking kondo dun menda belo manita ka. Na lumul-mulum. Sandonu, like hat siya taka lapta ka demesi.
Kau kira